Hi, boys and girls. I have a book to read to you called Bear Snores On. And it was written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. They wrote it together and did the illustrations. And this book is all about a bear who is sleeping. He's hibernating. Can you say that word with me? Say hibernating. Hibernating. That means that he is sleeping the whole winter long. Well, guess what, guys? While he's sleeping, these animals are having a party without him. So, we're going to read to find out what happens at the end of the story. Do you guys think Bear will wake up when he hears all the animals? Or do you think he'll sleep the whole thing away? All right, this book is called Bear Snores On. Oh, and look, where do you think that is? That's Bear's den. And this book I like because it kind of has like a sing-songy rhyming to it. So see if you can hear the rhyming words. All right. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. So he's hibernating. He ate a bunch of food and he's relaxing and sleeping the whole winter through. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. So who is the character now who's joined us in the story? It's the mouse. So the mouse comes and it's saying it's too cold outside, and he's saying it's too dark and damp in the cave, and so he lights a little fire. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes. Ooh, who is this? It's the rabbit. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare bumps big burps, but the bear snores on. So is he waking up yet? What do you guys think? Has he woken up yet? Not yet, but they're being pretty loud, aren't they? Do you think he will wake up? Make a prediction. Do you think that he'll be mad when he wakes up? A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps can we share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." So now who's joined them? The badger. So now there's the mouse, the hare, and the badger. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. So what is going on? They are having almost like a big party, trying to stay nice and warm together. Having food. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What do you think? A small speck of pepper. What would that make a bear do if it landed right on his? What do you think? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no. I'm getting a little bit nervous. What do you think might happen? Do you think he's going to be waking up? Oh no. Guys, did he wake up? What do you think? Does he look happy or does he look mad? Show me his face right now. What does Bear look like? Make his face. He looks really mad, guys. And the bear wakes up. And look, the author used big capital letters there and put all that in bold to say, ah, and the bear wakes up. They want us to say it really loud. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Guys, can you make the bear's face now? Mouse squeaks, don't fret. Don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Oh, how does the bear look now? Can you guys look like the bear now? Much happier looking to me, I think. Oh, and now he's got a smile. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. ... Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. All right, guys. So this is the question I want you to answer with this book, Bear Snores On. What happened at the end of the book? Tell me in your very own words, what was the ending of this book? How did this book end? What happened to Bear? What happened to his friends? All right, I can't wait to hear what you have to say, and I hope that you guys like this one. I really like it, and reading out loud is fun because it has so many rhymes. All right, have a wonderful day. I will see you later. Bye.